Hi dear students, now let us come back to the mathematics online classes. Previously, we have taken several problems based on the how to find the area under the curve, area between the curve and the lines, horizontal line, vertical lines, different curves they have given. The continuously first exercise, one more problem I am just going to do here. It is the last problem of the different type. Anyway, this type of problem already over. Let us have a look on this one here. So find the area bounded by the curve x square is equal to 4y and the line x is equal to 4y minus 2. Previously one curve and the vertical line or horizontal line they are given. Here curve is given. What is the curve? X square is equal to 4y is given. X square is equal to 4y is nothing but it is the upward parabola. X square is equal to 4ay minus manner. So it is a upward parabola is the vertex of the parabola is at the origin. This is the x-axis. This is the y-axis. Axis of the parabola is along the y-axis. Focus is lies on the y-axis. And previously they given a horizontal line or vertical line in this manner, but here it is not a horizontal or vertical line. It is a straight line. They have given linear equation involving the two variable always represents the straight line. X is equal to 4y minus 2 is that. I just call this curve equation number 1 and line is equation number 2. Already equation number 1. The rough diagram we have got it. Now we need to draw the point. We need to draw this line. How to draw? To draw this line, we need a minimum 2 points. One point on the y-axis. How do we get the point on the y-axis? Point on the y-axis means always x is 0. Okay, x is 0 means what is the y value? If x is 0, y is equal to 2 divided by 4. Are you clear? X is 0, 4y minus 2. Then what is y is equal to? Minus 2 comes plus 2 by 4, 1 by 2. That means 0, 1 by 2 is the 1 point. 0, 1 by 2. Suppose it is 1 in it, then 1 by 2 is here. This is the point. 1 point is this point. One more point is required. One more point means y is 0. If y is 0, this term is whole term, whole value is 0. X is equal to minus 2. That means minus 2 comma 0. If y is 0, x is minus 2. So minus 2 comma 0. Minus 2 comma 0 is nothing but 1. Here it is minus 2. Minus 2 comma 0. This point and this point. Joining these two points, we get the equation number 2. Joining these 2 points, we just get the equation number. I just draw this point. Already know that how to draw the line in xy coordinate plane. Okay, this is the line. Call this as equation number. Now we need to find that area bounded by the curve and the line. Area bounded by the curve and the line. Curve and the line. What is the area is bounded? What is the required area? It is bounded by the curve and the line. Curve and the line is nothing but is this required area. Check it. This is the required area. Area bounded by the curve x square is equal to 4y and the line x is equal to 4y minus 2. Are you super sure? This is the required area. I just need this area. O. This point I just called as A. This point I just called B, and this point is a C. Okay, now what is the required area? Therefore, the required area is equal to area of the region. Once you got the diagram, you can easily find it. Area of the region. What is the area of the region? O, A, B, C, O. This is the required area of the region. This is the required area. How to find this one? Okay, so here to find area of this one, I just start here. Actually, we know the formula. Area is equal to integral of a to b f of x into dx. Suppose one curve is that is f of x, and it is given from the closed interval a to b. That area under the curve will get. How to get the area under the curve from the limit a to b? Using the formula integral of a to b f of x into dx. Whenever you take a vertical strips, width of the strip is dx, height of the strip is y. Okay, so length into breadth. In that manner, y is equal to f of x is that f of x into dx. Length into breadth will get it. Here also, area under the curve from the limit a to b will get it. This is the formula is right. But here we don't know that we don't need the area under the curve. Area bounded by is required. So as you people saw previously, curve and the line. What is the area bounded by? So here, observe that this is the point C is that. This is the point C. From C to A, I just take C to A. From the C to A. C to A. Area under the what? Area under the line. Area under the line. This area will get it. But we don't need this whole area. We don't need this whole area. We need a line and curve is there. How the curve is there? This is how the curve is there. Okay, this part I just written. So if I taken from the point C to A, area under the line, the whole area will get it, but we don't need that. This extra part we have to remove. How to remove this extra part? That is area under the curve. If we subtract it, we will get the required area. I got my point. Area under the line from the C to A minus area under the curve from the C to A will get the required area. I got my point. So that I just again name this point. So what we can name A, B, C, D, and I just name it as E. Okay. So required area is equal. I just added one value, that is area of the region. Area of the region. What is the area of the region? C, D, O, E, A, B, C. Observe. So what is the area under the region? Area under the region. What is the area under the region? C, D, O, E, A, B, C, D. Okay. This part I just taken. This is under the line which is taken. Minus of area under the curve. What is the area under the curve? Area of the region. Area of the region. What is that? C, D, O, E, A. Once again. C, D, O, E, A, and O, C, D. I got my point. First of all, largest area. This is the largest area. Area under the line minus area under the curve. This step is not needed in the examination. Just for your understanding purpose, I am just written. Directly we can write maximum area minus minimum area. This is the maximum area. Minus of this area, we get the required area. Area under the line minus area under the curve, we will get the area bounded by the line and the curve. So now we can write required area is equal to integral of from where to where. So from the point C to A, f of x into dx or y into dx. None of this thing. Y into dx. Here y means which value we have to replace? Line equation or curve equation? Largest area. Which is the largest area? Line is there. So that we need to replace line equation minus. From the C to A, y into dx. Here y means what? Which value we have to replace? We have to replace the curve. Okay. Now, but here we need the C coordinate and the A coordinate. How to find the C and A coordinate? So C and A are the point of intersection of the curve and the line. C and A are the point of intersection of the curve and the line is there. It is sufficient to solve the curve equation and the line equation. That's all. How do you solve? We can do that one as a proper. What we just do means I just replace the x value. My x value is what? 4y minus 2 is the. What is the value? X value can be replaced as 4y minus, or else we can replace the y value. Doesn't matter as your wish. What is the y value? We get it. Y is equal to x plus 2 divided by 4. Is that clear? As your wish. Here if you replace the x value, a minus b whole square we have to do, or else just replace that. X square is equal to 4 into what is the y value? X plus 2 divided by 4. 4 get cancelled. x square is equal to x plus 2 as is taken left hand side. X square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Here also we need to do the quadratic equation. If I replace the x value, there also you need to use the quadratic equation, whatever, as the issue. So, what are the factors we get it? Check it. So, x square minus x minus 2 is that. On multiplying or dividing, we should get the minus 2. Adding or subtracting, we should get the minus 1. So, I just put it. X square minus 2x plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Is that okay? Minus 2x plus x minus 2 as it is. Group the term. X is common from the first two term. X minus 2 is there. Plus 1 is common. X minus 2 is there. Is equal to 0. From this, I just write directly x is equal. One value is plus 2. Under value is x plus 1 is there. So under value is minus 1. You can cross verify. Okay, this part you can do it in the rough order. Directly you can write it. So x value is 1 value is 2, another value is minus 1. Positive value means this is 2. That means this point is 2, 0. And x value is negative means c value. This is the minus 1. If you replace x value, we will get a quadrant. X value is 2. 2 means what happens? 2 plus 2, 4. 4. That means 1 4 by 4 is 1. If x value is minus 1, what is the minus 1? That is 2 minus 1 by 4. This is the 1 by 4. 1 by 4. Already it is 1 by 5. 1 by 2 is that 0.5. 1 by 4. Are you sure? You can do this one at a proper. What I just did is I just counted the coordinates of A and C. I just counted the coordinates of A and C. A and C is because I just need to find that area under the line from the point C to A, area under the curve from here to here in the same manner from the here to here. Then what is the example where it is present? Okay. Now next thing is I hope you fellow got this point. Anyway, now we just got the C value, A value. I just replace the C value or better right. The required area is equal integral of what is the C coordinate from here to here x value. X value is minus 1. From here to here, what is the x value? Minus 1 to 2. Y into x. Y means what? Line equation. What is the y value? This we can write. Y is equal to x plus 2 divided by 2. So x plus 2 divided by 4 into dx minus. Again C area under the curve. Area of the region means area under the curve. In that manner also you can write area under the line, area under the curve. So here also minus 1 to plus 2. Here we need to replace the curve equation. What is the curve equation? Curve equation y is equal to x square divided by 4 into dx. I got my point. Here instead of writing area of the region, these are words you can write area of the region or area bounded by the line and area bounded by the curve. Area bounded by the line minus area bounded by the curve from the C to A. In that manner also we can write it. So now required area is equal. Okay, integrate. Before we will integrate, I just take the constant terms one side or else 1 by 4 is outside constant into x plus 2 integration. X integration is x square by 2 plus 2 integration 2 as it is. Integration of 1 is x limit. What is the limit? Minus 1 to plus minus 1 to plus minus. First term integration is over minus. Here also 1 by 4 is outside. 1 by 4 is outside. Integration of x square is x cube divided by 3 from the limit minus 1 to 2. Here definite integral is that I am not going to write the integration constant. Okay. Now apply the limit. Here also 1 by 4, here also 1 by 4. Throughout we can take it as a 1 by 4 is common. Now upper limit. What is the upper limit? Upper limit 2 is that 2 square is 4. 4 divided by 2 plus 2 into 4. Upper limit is over. Minus of lower limit. Minus 1 is that minus 1 square is 1 by 2 plus 2 into minus 1 is minus This term is over. 1 by 4, 1 by 4 is outside. That is, here it is a minus. Minus sign sound. Are you clear? Minus sign sound. Upper limit. What is the upper limit? 2 cube. 2 cube is 8. 8 divided by 3. Upper limit is over. Minus. Lower limit. Minus 1 cube is minus 1. Minus minus plus 1 by. This 1 by 4 is product with other. Just simplify. I got it. This is upper limit minus of lower limit. Upper limit minus of lower limit. Now 1 by 4 is outside. Product with all the term. 4 by 2 is 2. 2 plus 4 is 6. Minus 1 by 2 minus 2. What is the 1 by 2 minus 2? Or else you can open the bracket as well. Okay. Minus 1 by 2 minus minus plus 2. Here it is minus as it is. 8 by 3 as it is. And plus 1 by 3. That means 9 by 3. 9 by 3 is nothing but 3. Are you clear? This bracket simplify. 8 by 3 plus 1 by 3. 3 is LCM. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 by 3 is 3. 3 into minus 3. Now simplify. 6 plus 2. Or 2 minus 3 minus 1. Minus 1 plus 6. 5. 5 minus 1 by 2 is 7. Integers once simplify and rational number in their words simplify. Okay, I just continue here. 1 by 4 into 5 minus 1 by 2. What is the 5 minus 1 by 2? It is 9 divided by 2. Check it. Okay, 9 by 2. Now multiply. 9 divided by 4 to the 8. 9 by 8 square units. 9 by 8 square units. What is the required area bounded by the curve and the line is 9 by 8 square units. This is how they got it. So I think you got that. If you got the diagram, you easily get the required solution. And one more thing, my suggestion is by simplifying very careful. Plus, minus. Exactly. With that problem, the exercise is completed. Remaining problems of the exercise is just practicing. Now, the next type is area bounded by the two curves. Area bounded by the two simple curves or two curves. Previously, so many examples, and in the first exercise, this is solved. Area bounded by the curve and the lines. That lines is whatever the line, straight line or a vertical line, horizontal line, it will have solved. Now, in this case, we need to find area bounded by the two simple curves. For example, for explanation purpose, I just consider that y1 is equal to f of x and y2 is equal to g of x. These are the two real functions are there for a simple curves are just said. The nature or graph of these two functions for your understanding purpose, I just taken two curves. This is x, y coordinate. Suppose the y1 curve is in this manner. Y is equal to f of x. This is the f of x here. These two curves depend on a closed interval a comma b. These two curves depend on a closed interval a comma b. So this is the y1 f of x. y2 is the, it is the g of x. Depend on where to where, from the a to b. From a to b. So, okay. Now we need to find that area bounded by the two curves. Y1 is equal to f of x and y2 is equal to g of x. What is the area bounded by these two curves? So what is the area bounded by these two curves means? Area bounded by these two curves means we are required to find this area. Clear? We are required to find this area. How to find this area? Okay, here from A to B is the. This is extra questions that we have to know. No problem. From here to here, from A to B. This is the x is equal to A. This is x is equal to B. How to find this area bounded by these two curves? Okay, obviously, this curve is f of x and this curve is g of x. Area bounded according to our definition. Area is equal to integral from a to b f of x is dx is nothing but area under the curve is used to get it. This is whole area under the curve. So that area under the first curve y1 is nothing but this whole area will get it. But we don't need that whole area. Then area under the g of x is nothing but this area will get it. So that this largest area minus this smallest area will get the required area. Yes, so that's all. What is that? Largest area minus of smallest area. Therefore, the required area is equal to, what is the required area? From A to B, integral of A to B. Largest area. What is the largest area? F of x area minus of smallest area minus g of x area into element of integration. Vertical steps only is taken, so that dx into dx. You did this much, you get the required area bounded by the curve. Instead of writing this one, you can write in this manner: A to B from y1. This is considered as a y1 and this is considered as a y1 minus y2 into dx. This is the required area. We are going to get area bounded by the two curve on the limit A to B, on the closed interval A to B. Are you clear? Now, let's take a particular example regarding this one. We will come to understand very easily. So now, the very first example I just taking, that is find the area bounded by the two curve, that is parabola. Find the area bounded by the two parabola. You just remember this one. Note down this point diagram. Take an example. Find the area bounded by the two parabolas. Area bounded by the two parabolas. Y square is equal to 4x and x square is equal to 4y. Y square is equal to 4x and x square is equal to 4y. Or instead of that one, y square is equal to x and x square is equal to y. Find the area bounded by these two curves. What is the curve? Y square is equal to x is there, x square is equal to y. One curve is right-handed parabola, one curve is upward parabola. What is the right-handed parabola? Y square is equal to x is the right-handed parabola. Upward parabola, x square is equal to y is the upward parabola. Okay, right-handed parabola. This is the right-handed parabola. Vertex is at the origin. Axis of the parabola is along the x-axis. This is the equation number 1, and this is the equation number. What is the equation number 2? X square is equal to y. This is the x square is equal to y, second one. This is at the origin, and this is the y-axis. Okay, area bounded by the two curve. What is the required area? Area bounded by the two curve. Required area is, can I say that this is the required area? Okay, this is the required area we are required to find. How to find this required area? Very carefully observe that. What is the equation number 1 and what is the equation number? If you interchange the equation numbers, then it will be very big mistake. Okay, now this area is required. Now I just take this point. This point I just come as a, here I just name the point A, here I just point the B, and here is a C. Required area is equal. What is the required area? Area of the region. What is the area of the region? O, A, B, C. This is the required area of the region. Clear? Area bounded by the two parabola. First parabola, second parabola. One is the right-handed parabola, one is the upward parabola. This is the required area. Then how do we get this area? Which has the maximum area and which has the smallest area? Maximum area minus minimum. Here it is already 0 is there. If we got the point B, then we will get this point. Area under the curve from here to here, from A to B will get it. So this curve from here to here. What is the coordinate of P is equal? Coordinate of P is nothing but from here this way. How to find the coordinate of P? How to find the what? It's the point of intersection of two curves. Point of intersection of two curves. So solving these two curves, we'll get the required area. We'll get the required point of intersection. How to solve these two curves? So how do you solve this one? X square is equal to y square is equal to x is that. So we can write in place of y or in place of x, whatever I just replace. I just need the x value. I just get the replace the y value. What is the y value from the equation number 2? Equation number 1 x as it is. Y value I am just going to replace. Y means what? X square is the x square. This whole square. That means x power 4 is equal to x. That means x power 4 minus x is equal to 0. One of the x is common. X cube minus 1 is equal to 0. So one value is x is equal to 0. Another one is x cube minus 1 is equal to 0, which means that x cube is equal to 1. Cube root of 1 is equal to the 1. Cube root of 1 is 1. So that 0 and the 1. So x value is 1 0. 0 means here also two curves are intersecting. At the 1 also they are intersecting. So p coordinate is 1. If x is 1, what is the y value? X is 1 means y is also 1. So the given two curves are intersect in a first quadrant at 1, 1. The p coordinate is 1 means what is the m coordinate? This is the 1, 0. That means from 0 to m we require. So 0 to m, integral of 0 to m. Area under before going to integral. Area under the largest area. This curve. What is this curve? This curve is the equation number 1. This is the area. Area under the equation number 1 minus area under the equation number 2. Checking area under the equation number 2. Area under the equation number 1 minus area under the equation number 2. Will you get this required area? Obviously, we will get the required area. I got largest area minus the smallest area. We will get the required area. Area under the equation number 1 minus area under the equation number 2. Instead of writing O, B, A, C like that. O, A, B, C, O. I just written in this manner. If you need in that writing the letters, you can write it or writing in terms of equation in that manner also. Okay. Which one is suitable to you? Which one is convenient to you? That method you can apply. Okay. Now, required area is equal. Area under the equation number 1 from where? From 0 to m. 0 to m is nothing but 0 is nothing but origin. Origin what? X value is 0. What is the x value is for the m? 1 is the area under the equation number 1. That means y into x minus area under the equation number 2. You can write according to the equation single. That means y minus y. Y minus y means we get the 0. So that I just write as a equation number 1 minus equation number 2 into dx. Are you clear? From the 0 to 1. Single limit or separate limit also you can take. Doesn't matter. Okay. 0 to 1. 0 to 1. Area under the equation number 1 minus again the 0 to 1 is that no need to write it. So 0 to 1 minus equation number 2. What is the equation number 1? Equation number 1 means y value we need to write. Y value is nothing but positive square root of x minus equation number 2 y value. What is the equation number 2 y value? X square is the x square into dx. Are you clear about this one? Just go to the introduction, that is area bounded by the two curves. Definition previous before this problem I just given. One curve is in this manner, another curve is in this manner. First curve minus second curve into dx, element of integration is that in that manner. Instead of writing here, instead of writing y by, because y by means you assume that y by means you will get the 0, so that avoiding the confusion as is written equation number 1, equation number 2. Okay. Now integrate this one, will get the required answer. So how do you integrate this one? Root x integration. root x means x power 1 by 2. I just write the next term x power 1 by 2. Just take the next term 0 to 1 directly integrate. What is x power 1 by 2 integration? X power 1 by 2 integration x power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 can be written as into 2 by 3 minus x square integration x cube divided by 3. Limit for both the value 0 to 1. Limit is 0 to 1. Therefore, the required area is equal to, what is the required area? Upper limit minus lower limit. What is the upper limit? Upper limit is 1. So 2 divided by 3 minus 1 divided by 3. Upper limit is over. Next, minus lower limit. What is the lower limit? 0. This is a 0. This is also 0. 0 minus 0. 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3. That means 1 by 3. Required area is equal to 1 by 3 square meters. This is the area bounded by the two parabola y square is equal to x and x square is equal to y. If we take y square is equal to 4x, x square is equal to 4y, we will get the different thing. Is that clear? Because the point of intersection will be different. So that is this is the required area for these two. In this manner, we have to find the area under the. I hope you will have got this one. Just observe this to get the thing. Okay, now go to the next one. Yes, next problem is something problem. Find the area lying above the x-axis and included between the circle x square plus y square is equal to 8x and inside of the parabola y square is equal to 4x. Y square is equal to 4x. Okay. So better to get the rough diagram. Instead of getting the rough diagram, can't get this one. Anyway, first of all, they particularly mention the circle x square plus y square is equal to 8x with that, and parabola y square is equal to 4x. Y square is equal to 4x means right-handed parabola. Right-handed parabola is that x square plus y square is equal to 8x is that. That means where is exactly the center? Center is not at the origin. General equation of the circle, I know that. What is the general equation of the circle? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Are clear about this one? This is general. What is the center? Center is minus g comma minus f. Radius is root of g square plus f square minus is that g square plus f square minus c. Are you clear? This is the radius of the circle. Are you think? I think if you have got this point, radius is equal to g square plus f square minus c. Okay, under the square. Now here let us find this one. How to find the center and the radius of the circle? First of all, we have to get the g and f. How to get the g and f? Compare. In place of x square, x square. In place of y square, y square. This is equal to 8x. I just write minus 8x is equal to 0. So that 2g x coefficient is 2g. Here x coefficient is minus 8. Y coefficient is 0. 2f is equal to 0. G is equal to minus 4. F is equal to 0. Center is minus c comma minus f is there. G value already minus 4 which is got. Here it is a plus 4 and it is 0. 4 comma 0. Center of the circle is 4 comma 0. 4 comma 0 is nothing but point on the x-axis or y-axis? Point on the x-axis. So center of the circle lies on the x-axis and center of the circle lies on the x-axis having the coordinate 4 comma 0. Suppose this is the circle having the center is at the center is on the x-axis is 4 comma 0. This is the center. And the parabola is there. Y square is equal to 4x. Y square is equal to 4x is means right-handed parabola. This is the right-handed parabola. Are you people clear about this one? Right-handed parabola. Now, area bounded by the or area lying above the x-axis. X-axis is here. Required area is above the x-axis and included between the circle and the parabola. Particularly, I have mentioned that inside of the parabola y square is equal to 4x. Above the x-axis it means required area is above the x-axis. That means first quadrant is required. Next, included between what? Circle and the parabola. Particularly inside of the parabola. Inside of the parabola, between the circle and the parabola. Circle and the parabola. Inside the parabola means, can I say that this is the required area? Check it. Above the x-axis, yes, above the x-axis is that. Included between the circle and the parabola. Circle is here and parabola is here. Included between the circle and parabola. Yes, firstly, inside the parabola. Yes, inside the parabola is there. Now, how to find this area? I got it. Proper diagram is just got it. Now, we need to find the. I just stop this part. I can do that one in proper and directly write it in this manner. Now, so how to find the required area under the two curves? Okay, here I just take this one point. So what is the name? This is the O. This point I just called as A, and this point I just called as a B. Center of the circle is 4, 0. What is the radius of the circle? Radius of the circle is equal to root of g square. G square is 4 square 16 plus f square is 0. C is 0. So root of 16 is nothing but radius is 4 units. Are you clear? Center radius is 4 units. Very simple. If the radius is 4 units, this is the center. This is a 4 unit. Is that clear? This is also radius. Here from here to radius. What is the coordinate of E? 4 unit, 4 unit. That means this is a 8, 0. Check it. I got it. Circle is touches the y-axis. Height touches the y-axis means because radius of the circle is 4 unit. Center is 4, 0. If it is 4, 0 means radius is 4 unit. Here also 4 unit. 4 plus 4 total. The diameter is 8. OA is the diameter. Therefore, the coordinate of A is 8, 0. Okay. Next, we need the required area is this one above the x-axis. How do you find this one area? This area is required. How do you find this area? So, I just write that required area is equal to area of the region. What is the area of the region? O A B O. O A B O. O A B O is the required area. I am just name this as a M. BM is perpendicular to the x-axis. Now, how do you find the required area? Now, observe area under the what are the curves? Area under the parabola or area under the circle we have to recognize. This area is required. How do you find that? Observe that here is a parabola is there. So parabola is up to here, point B. If I take an area under the parabola from 0 to m, area under the parabola from 0 to m, this area which get it plus remaining this area is that from m to a, area under the circle. This curve is parabola, this curve is circle. From here to here, area under the parabola. From here to here, area under the circle. That's all. So, required area of the region. Area of the region. O M B O. This area plus of this area plus of area of the region. Area of the region M A B M. Is that clear? So this is nothing but area under the parabola. Area under the parabola. We use this right, and here area under the curve. Area under the parabola plus area under the curve. To find the area under the parabola, we need the B point. B point means M coordinate is required. How do you get the M coordinate? P coordinate, P coordinate means M coordinate will get always. This is y value is 0 here. How do you get the M coordinate? It is the point of intersection of parabola and the circle. Solving the parabola and the circle. Solving the parabola and the circle. Circle equation is here, parabola equation is here. Solve. Y square is equal to 4x here. X square is y square value is 4x plus 4x minus 8x is equal to 0. X square minus 4x is equal to 0. X is common. X minus 4 is equal to 0. One value for x is 0, another value is 4. 0, 4. Observe that it intersects the parabola and circle are intersect at the origin as well as point B and here. Okay. So here 0, 4 will just carry. What is the 0, 4? 0, 0 and 4. X value is 0. Here it is y value is also 0. If x is 4, what is the y value? If x is 4. If x is 4, what is the y value? 4 4 is 16. Y is also 4, plus 4 and 4, minus 4. 4, plus 4 and 4, minus 4. Only x value is positive and y value plus or minus because square root is there. Okay. 4, 4, minus 4. Okay. Now 4, 4 and 4, minus 4. We don't need the area below the x-axis. We need the area above the x-axis. So that 4 is here. Then M coordinate is 4, 0. So required area is equal to what is the required area? Integral from where to where? From 0 to M. 0 to M means I just rub this one. Then exactly it's intersect at the center. From 0 to M. 0 to M is nothing but 0 to 4. 0 to 4, which curve y into x. Y value, which value we have to replace? Y value is circle or parabola? We have to replace the parabola equation. Plus integral form. Here to here, m to a. M to a is nothing but 4 to a and 4 to a y into x. Here, area under the circle. We have to replace the circle equation. Yes. If you got this much, the 60% of the solution is over. Y into x, parabola, y value. Root of 4 is 2. 2 into x, first value, because first quadrant is done. 2x dx plus integral of 4 to a, y into x, circle equation. From the circle equation, what is y value? Y value, that is y square is equal to 8x minus x square is there. We need the y value. Y square is equal to 8x minus x square. Y is equal to root of 8x minus x square is there. So how to get the root of 8x minus x square? Again, here y is equal to root of 8x minus x square. If I replace here integration of root of 8x minus x square, that means quadratic equation is that. So making perfect square, we have to do a square minus x square, a square plus x square minus a square manner we have to do it. Instead of doing that one, it takes a little bit lengthy time. So instead of writing this one, I just rewrite this one, equation of the circle. How I just rewrite the equation? General equation you know that x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2my plus c is equal to 0. One more equation we know that x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. I am just going to write in this manner. If you write the given circle equation in this manner, you will get easily. How? Again, if you convert it in this manner, we have to do the making perfect square. If you get simplified here itself, no need to do the making perfect square. We will get to the standard form only. How means? Already the radius we know that. What is the radius? 4 unit is the center we know that 4, 0. Can I write that? The circle equation as x minus 4 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to radius square. Are you clear? Here h, k is the center of the circle. R is the radius of the circle. 4, R value is 4, H value is 4 and K value is 0. H, K, radius is 4 unit. That's all. So here x minus 4 whole square plus y square is equal to 16. We need the y value. So 16 minus of x minus 4 whole square. Y value only the positive square 16. 16 can be written as 4 square minus x minus 4 whole square, which is got in the standard form. Root of a square minus x square. Directly replace it here. If you are not get this idea, means again the same thing. Previous classes written. What has is written? Y is equal to root of 8x minus x square. If you did some making purpose square, you get the same thing. Check it. If you did this one as a making purpose square, you get the same answer. Nothing to worry. Okay. So now are you clear? Instead of writing in this much, if you did this much, again we have to do the making purpose square. A square minus x square, or a square plus x square, or x square minus a square form under the root. Instead of doing this, here I just beginning only I just rewritten. Okay, as well as either do this manner, do this manner, nothing to worry. Okay, now I just take the help of this one. Y is equal to. Why I am not suggesting this one means sometimes making purpose square a little bit time consuming. Is that clear? Here only you can do it. Or else if you are convenient means just follow this. Sometimes there is a particular formula is that making purpose square, you can apply that one. Okay. Now, and you could all know that in mathematics how many formulas are there. It is not a simple task to remember all the formulas. You forget only one sign, plus or minus. In place of plus, to replace the minus, the whole result will be wrong. So that in a simple way, I will need to get it. Okay, now replace the y value. What is the y value? Under the root of 4 square minus x minus 4 whole square into dx. Limit is 4 to 8 is there. Now simplify. So how to simplify? Better to continue here. I'll just stop this part. So required area is equal to integrate 2x integration 2 into x integration is x square by 2 limit 0 to 4 limit is 0 to 4 plus as it is plus. Now how to integrate this one more step. 0 to 4 so we can take outside into x into dx plus integral of 4 to 8. Here let me write alteration we have to do. It is not in the standard form. I just do that. Put x minus 4 is equal to d. X minus 4 is equal to d. Differentiate. Dx is equal to dt. Okay, in this manner. If I substitute this one, what will get? 4 square minus k square. Dx is replaced as a d. Already know that substitution method integration. And now a square minus x square form. What is the integration of root of a square minus x square? X by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sine inverse of x by in place of x d. In place of the x dt is that. Simple. We can change the limit or keep as it is. Later we can write it. If we want to change the limit means we can change the limits for t. Okay. Instead of doing that one, I just directly simplify. Now 4 to 8 is the x by 2. X by 2 is nothing but t by 2 into root of 4 square minus a square plus a square by 2. A square is nothing but 16 divided by 2 into sine inverse of x is nothing but t x by 8 t by 4 limit from 4 to 8. Limit from 4 to 8. I have not changed the limit. These limits for x. Okay. Here 2 to get cancelled. Upper limit is 4 square minus 0 square. This is over. Now I just replace the t value. What is the t value? X minus 4 divided by 2 under the root of 4 square minus x minus 4 whole square plus 16 by 2 is 8. Sine inverse of x minus 4 divided by 4. Limit is 4 to 8. Now apply the limit. Why don't apply this limit means these limits for x, not for t. If you want to apply means here we need to change the limit. How to change the limit? When x is equal to, lower limit is 4. When x is equal to 4, what is the t is equal to 0. When x is equal to 8, what is the t is equal to 4. These limits you have to write. Okay, instead of writing, I just instead of doing this part, I just directly written. Now 4 square is 16 minus 0 plus upper limit. Apply the upper limit. What is the upper limit? 8 minus 4. 4 by 2 is 2 into root of 8 minus 4 is 4. 4 square is 16. Here also 4 square is 16. This term is cancelled. 2 into 0 plus 8 as it is. Sin inverse of 8 minus 4 is 4. 4 by 4 is 1. Sin inverse of 1 is 5 by 2. Upper limit is over minus lower limit. What is the lower limit? 4 is the here 4 minus 4 0. Or come to here. 4 minus 4 is 0. 0 into each number is 0 plus. Here sin inverse of 4 minus 4 is 0. 0 by 4 is 0. Sin inverse of 0 is 0. Now here it is 16 plus here it is 0. Remaining term is 8 into pi by 2. 8 into pi by 4 is nothing but 4 pi. Are you clear? All terms are same. So 4 pi plus 16 square. The required area is equal to how much? Required area bounded by the circle and the parabola. Y square is equal to 4x is 4 pi plus 16 square units. Is that clear? So hence the answer. Yes, here we get a small mistake. What is the mistake? Means parabola. Parabola is 2 into root x. Parabola is 2 into root x is the 2 into root x because y square is equal to 4x. Root of 4 is 2 into root x. Here it is a root x. Okay. Sorry for the inconvenience. Root x integration. Only this part will be changed. Nothing to worry. So remaining this part is okay. Root x integration is x power 3 by 2 into 2 by 2. Limit is from 0 to 4. Okay. 2 by 3. Upper limit is 4. 4 power 3 by 2 minus lower limit is 0. Okay. 2 by 3. 4 power 3 by 2. Root of 4 whole cube. That means root 4 is 2. 2 cube is 8. That means 16 divided by 3. 16 divided by 3 into 16 divided by 3 plus 4 pi. Required area is equal to 16 by 3 plus 4 pi square. Okay, this is the correct answer. Okay, if you neglect a small thing, if you forget, relax it means there is a chances is there to do the mistake. So be careful. Okay, now I just stop here. We'll continue in the next video. Thank you.